Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Jones, and today I am making a delicious and easy vegan peach crisp. This can also be made gluten-free really easily if that's what you like. You need about 3 to 4 cups of sliced peaches for this recipe, and you don't have to peel them, but my mom was in town. She brought me this case of peaches, and she grew up on a peach farm, so she knows a little bit about how to peel a peach. She's getting really picky there with getting all the little dings out of it, but you don't actually have to peel them. It just kind of depends on the texture you like. But you do want to slice them. If you don't feel like slicing up a bunch of peaches, you can also use frozen or even canned, but I think just fresh peaches are the way to go. So like I said, you want to have about 3 to 4 cups of those sliced peaches, and now we'll make our topping. So I'm adding to a bowl some whole wheat flour, rolled oats, coconut sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. You can use whatever kind of flour you like. If you're gluten-free, you can use an all-purpose gluten-free flour, or pretty much any kind of flour you like would work for this recipe. Then we're going to add some vegan butter to that, and I'm just going to cut that into the dry mixture until it forms sort of a crumbly texture. So the next step is optional. You could just throw your peaches into your dish and put the topping on it, but I like to make it this way sometimes because it's a little more decadent. So what I'm doing is just adding some cornstarch and some water, and then we're going to add some sugar to this, and we're going to cook the peaches down just for a few minutes, and those ingredients just gel together with the juices from the peaches and makes it really sticky and gooey and decadent and so yummy. While the peaches are cooking, I'm just going to grease my baking dish. I'm using either vegan butter or some coconut oil, which, by the way, you can use coconut oil in this recipe instead of vegan butter if you like. But you definitely want to make sure you grease your pan, because otherwise you're just going to have a horrible sticky mess to clean up in the end. So we'll just add our peaches to the dish, and then we're going to sprinkle our topping on top. Then I just bake that in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And there it is. So simple, so easy, and so delicious. This is really the perfect summer dessert recipe because this is when peaches are at the peak of their ripeness. But you can also make this any time of year by just using some frozen peaches. I promise it'll be just as good. I hope you liked this recipe and that you will join me for more by hitting that red subscribe button down below, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this recipe and if there are any other dessert recipes you would like me to try. I will leave the link to the full recipe in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. It's on my blog at vegerarchy.com. That's it for now. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!